What is your name?
My name is John. I have a short and simple name. My friends call me John, too. I like my name because it's easy to remember. It's the name my parents gave me.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. My birthday is in March. I feel young and full of energy. I like celebrating my birthday with my friends and family. I enjoy getting older and learning new things.
Where do you live?
I live in London. It is a big city in England. I live in a small apartment with my family. There are many parks and museums in my city. I enjoy living here because it's exciting.
What do you do every morning?
Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have breakfast, usually cereal and milk. After that, I get dressed for work. I leave the house at 7:30 a.m. to catch the bus.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I like eating sandwiches for lunch. My favorite sandwich has chicken, lettuce, and tomatoes. I usually eat it with some juice. Sometimes I eat pasta or a salad. Lunch gives me energy for the rest of the day.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is small and has brown fur. Max loves playing with his ball. We go for a walk together every evening.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. I like to read a book before sleeping. My room is quiet and comfortable. I turn off the lights and relax. I sleep for about 8 hours every night.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I drink 1 cup every morning. I like my coffee with a little milk and sugar. It helps me wake up and feel fresh. Sometimes I drink coffee in the afternoon, too.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to relax. I often spend time with my friends or family. We go to the park or watch a movie. Sometimes I clean my house or do laundry. I enjoy resting on weekends.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. I like it because it reminds me of nature. Many of my clothes are green. My room has green curtains, too. Green makes me feel calm and happy.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus. The bus stop is near my house. It takes about 20 minutes to reach my office. I usually listen to music during the ride. Sometimes I read a book on the bus.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. The weather is warm and flowers bloom. I enjoy walking outside and seeing all the beautiful colors. Spring makes me feel happy and energetic. It's a good time for picnics and outdoor activities.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking. I often make dinner at home. My favorite dish to cook is spaghetti. I like trying new recipes from different countries. Cooking helps me relax after a busy day.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball. I play it with my friends every weekend. It's a fast game and I enjoy running and shooting the ball. Watching basketball on TV is also fun. My favorite team is very strong.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually relax after work. I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I take a short walk outside. I also like to have dinner with my family. After that, I get ready for bed.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is bananas. They are sweet and easy to eat. I usually have one in the morning with breakfast. Bananas give me energy and keep me full. They are healthy and delicious.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books. I try to read every day. My favorite books are about adventure and travel. I also like learning new things from books. Reading helps me relax and improves my English.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It is fun and makes me feel happy. I listen to music while I clean or cook. Sometimes I dance to the music in my room. Music is a big part of my life.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week. I usually buy groceries for my family. Sometimes I also buy clothes or shoes. I like going to the mall to look for new things. Shopping is fun, but I try not to spend too much.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try to exercise every day. I like running in the morning. It makes me feel strong and healthy. Sometimes I also go to the gym after work. Exercise is important for keeping my body fit.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I set my alarm to make sure I get up on time. After waking up, I stretch and get ready for the day. I like to start my day early. It helps me feel productive.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea. I drink it every morning with my breakfast. I like adding a little honey to make it sweet. Tea is warm and relaxing. Sometimes I drink tea in the afternoon too.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies. I watch a movie every weekend. My favorite type of movies are comedies because they make me laugh. I also enjoy action movies with lots of excitement. Watching movies helps me relax after a long day.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the city. The city is full of energy and things to do. There are many restaurants, shops, and places to visit. I like the fast pace of city life. The countryside is nice, but it's a bit too quiet for me.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to relax. I enjoy reading books or watching TV. Sometimes I go for a walk or visit friends. I also enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. Free time is a great way to do what I love.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love the taste of cheese and tomato sauce. I usually order pizza with pepperoni or mushrooms. It's a fun food to eat with friends. Pizza is delicious and easy to share.
What time do you have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 7 p.m. My family and I eat together at the table. Dinner is a time to relax and talk about the day. We often eat rice, vegetables, and chicken. I like having a warm meal at the end of the day.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I like to relax. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Sometimes I read a book for a few minutes. I also check my phone to see if I have any messages. Then, I turn off the lights and go to sleep.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is younger than me. We live in the same house with our parents. We often play video games together. I like spending time with him.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love the decorations and the festive mood. My family and I celebrate it by having a big dinner. We exchange gifts and spend time together. The holiday season makes me very happy.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach. The sound of the waves is very relaxing. I enjoy swimming in the ocean and walking on the sand. Sometimes I like to build sandcastles. The beach is a perfect place to relax and have fun.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit my family once a month. They live in another city, so I take a train to see them. We always have a nice time together. I stay with them for the weekend. Visiting my family is very important to me.
Do you like going to restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy going to restaurants. I like trying new foods from different cultures. My favorite restaurant is a Japanese one near my house. The food there is always delicious. Eating out is a fun way to spend time with friends.
How do you spend your afternoons?
In the afternoons, I am usually at work or school. If I have free time, I like to go for a walk or exercise. Sometimes I meet friends for a coffee. I also enjoy reading or watching TV in the afternoon. It's a good time to relax before the evening.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrots. They are crunchy and sweet. I like to eat them raw or cooked. Carrots are very healthy and good for my eyes. I often add them to salads or soups.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather. I enjoy going outside when the sun is shining. In hot weather, I can go to the beach or have a picnic. I don't like being cold, so summer is my favorite season. Warm days make me feel happy and relaxed.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies the most. They are exciting and full of adventure. I also enjoy comedies because they make me laugh. Sometimes I watch romantic movies with friends. Movies are a great way to relax and have fun.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I have cereal with milk. I also like to drink a glass of orange juice. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. It's my favorite meal of the day.
What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I like wearing comfortable clothes. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt. In summer, I wear light clothes like shorts and sandals. In winter, I like wearing warm sweaters and coats. My clothes are simple, but I feel good in them.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. I started learning when I was 12 years old. I like to play songs for my friends and family. It's a fun way to relax and be creative. Music makes me feel happy.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house once a week. I like to keep everything tidy and clean. I vacuum the floors, dust the furniture, and clean the kitchen and bathroom. Cleaning helps me feel organized. It's also a good way to stay active.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. It's sweet and creamy. I love eating ice cream on a hot day. Sometimes I add some toppings like nuts or fruit. Chocolate ice cream always makes me happy.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I like going to the gym. I try to go at least 3 times a week. At the gym, I run on the treadmill and lift weights. It helps me stay fit and healthy. Exercise also gives me more energy for the day.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave for work at 8 a.m. It takes me about 30 minutes to get there. I usually take the bus. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice. I like starting my day early.
What do you like to do when it rains?
When it rains, I like to stay inside. I usually watch a movie or read a book. Sometimes I make a hot cup of tea and relax. Rainy days are perfect for resting at home. I enjoy listening to the sound of the rain.
Do you enjoy going for walks?
Yes, I love going for walks. It's a great way to get fresh air and clear my mind. I usually walk in the park near my house. Walking helps me relax and stay healthy. I try to walk every day if the weather is nice.